Okay, the first question is a multiplication, so I need to multiply the numbers with the numbers and the letters with the letters. So 3r times by 5t, well, the numbers are 3 times by 5, aren't they, which gives me 15, and r times by t gives me rt, and if we just write 15rt, that means everything's multiplied together. 15 is multiplied by r multiplied by t, so that's the answer. Okay. Second one, a bit more tricky, isn't it? Remember, we've got this equal sign. So whatever we do to one side of the equation, we want to do to the other side, and we'll get x by itself. What does x equal? So I'm going to write down the question, and I don't want that. I want to have the x by itself. That plus 5, I'm going to get rid of. If I take that 5 away, though, I must take 5 from both sides, which means that 4x is equal to 22. Because that's what equality means. What you do to one side of an equation, you do to the other. Equality. Okay. Now I don't want 4 things equals 22. I want one thing. So if I divide by 4, I'm going to get 1x is equal to 22 divided by 4, which I believe is 5.5. Okay. Right, for the next question, they've given us the values of w and y. Let's stick it or substitute it in. Now my recommendation to you is that when you substitute in, use brackets. Substitute in with the brackets. So off comes w and in goes the substitute 2. Okay, and out comes the y from the equation, and in goes the substitute 4. It's just like a football match, yeah? Okay, so p is equal to 7 bracketed 2, that's the substitution made, and 5 times by y, which is the same as 4, substitution made. And this is going to mean 7 times by 2, which is 14, and 5, 40, 20. So I'll do 14, take away 20. Could do that on my calculator. Or I just could do 20 take away 14, which is 6, the other way around would be minus 6. So it's up to you, but just make sure you've got a negative answer. 14 things, take away 20 things, equals negative 6. Okay, I think that's the answer. Question D, another substitution question. So we've got q is equal to 2u squared minus 5. I'm going to substitute out the u and replace it with an equivalent. Now u is equal to minus 3, so I could rewrite this question as 2. Now remember, use brackets for substitution, so 2 bracket minus 3 squared minus 5. Don't put that squared inside the bracket, it's only the u that we're substituting. Okay. Now of course, minus 3 times by minus 3 is plus 9. If you use your brackets on your calculator, it will also help you get the right answer. Okay, if you don't use the brackets in the calculator, you get the wrong answer. So brackets are really helpful. 2 9 is 18, take away 5, and of course 18 take away 5 is 13. So I believe the answer is 13. Okay, so the moral of the story is use brackets when making substitutions, and equality, do the same to both sides. Right, you can see part A went well, but look at that. I don't think part D went well at all. And look what it says, it's because the squared went inside the brackets. And we really don't want to do that, because if you even on your calculator, minus 3 squared will give you the wrong answer, it will give you minus 9, it's not, it's plus 9. So use brackets, please. And the marks, 15rt, 5.5, minus 6 and 13, yeah, you did very well. 7 marks, that's over half a grade. Really important question.